Hi, I'm Matt Edwards from Citrix Systems, and we're in the pavilion with Intel to demonstrate some new technologies Citrix has been working on, specifically around virtualization. So Citrix is always focused on management, delivery, and security. The Intel vPro platform is focused on the same thing. Now, our particular use case is providing a solution for IT and the end user that did two things that's hard to do today. And that's one is provide a very rich user experience where the end user can do any tool he wants that he's accustomed to, and IT have a confidence that they can deliver a solution that's secure. What I have here today is an actual desktop vPro system. Beneath that is the Zen hypervisor. It's a bare metal boot, a Type 1 hypervisor. Whatever VMs that we bring up, whatever number of VMs, I'm only going to demonstrate two, are very secure. They don't know about each other. They can't talk to one another. Viruses can't attack one from the other. I brought the Vista local VM. It's actually local on the hard drive to give you the end user rich experience. And now I've alleviated IT's worry of security in that virtual machine. Whatever is attacked there, not patched properly, however IT wants to ease the burden of management on themselves and put it on their end user or whatever model fits their corporation best, they can do that. So I can go into this VM, play videos. Those videos could have viruses. I can browse. I can do whatever I want. And then, I may have another virtual machine already running, but in this case, I'm going to demonstrate actually launching a secondary virtual machine that's been designed and managed, the operating system in there by the IT department of the corporation. So they have confidence that it is secure. So from this one, I can actually launch a secondary VM, another VM from within another VM. And now I'm going to actually demonstrate another Citrix product called Provisioning Server. A great thing about the OS streaming of Citrix is that nothing right now has to reside on the local system. So all of this information that IT feels is very sensitive and doesn't want to put on a laptop or a desktop system for worry of theft now can remain in the data center, even the operating system image, even the corporate files. So right now that's all stream booting from the network, from the data center. So now we can see a normal boot of Windows XP for the end user, but it's really all that operating system's in the data center. So we can either stay in this or we can go back to our user environment, because we're not quite here, and continue what we were doing. And maybe we wanted to go browse, get directions, or find something on the internet that possibly gave us a virus. Now I should be doing my work. I've got a virus. My system has to be checked, fixed, whatever needs to be done. It's going to put me out of commission on this for a while. So I can actually go through, let this system reboot and repair itself, and then I can go back to my corporate image and actually continue to work. So while that other operating system's rebooting, I still got my corporate image, my trust. It's where I do my work. It's where I'm productive. And in one particular case, in this user scenario, I'm an engineer. I'm doing CAD drawings. I'm working for a major defense company. These are strong company secrets. Okay, now I can bring up that CAD drawing that I need to share information with other engineers in my company, but I don't want to subject that to any vulnerabilities in security. So I can do that in my corporate VM with strong confidence. It's going to stay here, get shared with just the people I want to share it with. None of that information is even being cached on the local drive if I don't want it to be cached. It's all in the data center. Now I can also go back at the same time and view my other operating system. It's been repaired. It's the way I wanted it. I either re-provisioned it. I either put it back the way I got it from the factory. However I wanted to repair that, it's a good, rich end-user experience. Many of us deal with our own internal documents that are sensitive information, and we don't want those to spill out into the public eye. So here I've kind of got a demonstration of a document that is confidential to our corporation, and I want to share it with just the right people. I can have application streaming deliver this, built up into an OS streaming. I've got now so much flexibility in how I'm going to secure that up. So what I'm showing here is a document that is sensitive to our corporation. It has the architecture of what I've just demonstrated. So kind of a block diagram. At the bottom, I have a vPro system, encrypted storage, and I have one VM. Actually, that was our primary VM, that actually is using the disk storage locally, providing a rich user experience. And the second VM, right next to it, it was streamed. The OS or no data exists on the client. And those two virtual machines know nothing about one another, and they can even reboot independently of the other. And on top of that is the Zen and Citrix management tools, and all the way to the data center, where we provide a full solution for management, delivery, and security. So to find out more about these solutions and technologies, visit the Intel vPro Expert Center online or the Citrix Systems webpage.